Hello researchers, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. Now, I have come to my dream destination at Nehru Place, which is regarded as the Asia's highest IT hub. Now you can see all around over here, all the computer shops, left hand side and even on the right hand side also. So you can see every brand is available from Sony, from LG, hard disk drives, pen drives, everything is available and it is regarded as the Asia's biggest market. This market opens at 11 a.m. and it closes on Monday only. So make it sure when you come over here, you have plenty of cash for different accessories and hardware. And Nehru Place IT Hub, I cheer you for all the brands available at one store. So believe me everyone, I'm having lots and lots of fun and I'm going to have lots and lots of IT shopping. Thank you so much. I will be covering. Thank you. Standing again on the first floor of Nehru Place. Now you can see lots and lots of shops behind me. People are all around and selling products. And you can see that Nehru Place is regarded as one of the biggest IT markets in this country. So every product, every brand is available. You have to just bargain and select the right one. So I will be again joining you in my next video. Thank you. Now here I come back. Now as you can see that I am at Nehru Place and I've already done lots and lots of shopping for my stuff in terms of Western Digital, some pen drives, etc., which are very cheap over here. I always recommend you to come over here, do some research, do some good bargaining and then buy the thing. Now as I am standing over here, you can find lots and lots of shops over here in terms of mobile accessories, in terms of data recovery. You can find all types of service centers over here. This is having more than 18 to 20,000 shops over here. And if you can find in Nehru Place, you can find lots and lots of bargaining, lots and lots of stuffs which are being coming up. So in the next video, I will be covering more parts of Nehru Place. So do give it a shot, do come over here and do some good negotiations. Thank you. So hi researchers. So as you can see downstairs, there is a huge market of cloth. There is a huge market of computers over here. It's Asia's biggest market in IT. And now you can see that there are hundreds and hundreds of stuffs which is available, and even believe me everyone that I have been able to buy those gadgets which are very much expensive in Ludhiana, in my state. So Nehru Place IT Hub is a place which every researcher, which every computer engineer should go and good try. All the laptops repairs shops, all the accessories, all types of mobile phones, all types of laptop accessories, mobile accessories are all available. So this was my second stay in Nehru Place and I have really enjoyed it. And believe me, I will be keep coming in few couple of months and will bring in more videos of this Nehru Place. So till then, thank you so much. Enjoy Nehru Place. Thank you.